archaeological deposit in Zogam, currently known as Chen State of Northwestern Myanmar. According to the 1947 Penlo Agreement, Article number 2, 5, and 7, including defense and foreign affairs of the Zomi, it is to be in the hands of the Zomi, the indigenous people of Zogam, and not the Parliament of Myanmar. The said agreement empowered the Zomi to govern themselves and look after their own internal and external affairs. Also, the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People, Article number 25 and 27, reaffirm the rights of the indigenous people on land and land use. Therefore, the indigenous people called Zomi cannot allow the concept of Myanmar in China or any private corporations to mine and export the nickel deposit found on Golumwa or any other natural resources found within Zogam for that matter, until and unless the Zomi can enjoy their democratic rights and have a say in the affairs directly or indirectly concerning their lands and its natural resources. We herewith call the immediate stopping of the Golumwa project, exploiting the natural resources of Zogam and therefore exploiting the Zomi indigenous people. World Zomi Congress will endeavor to fight against the evil collaboration with the help of the Zomi indigenous communities, with all peaceful means available under international law. World Zomi Congress, WZC or WZC, also calls on the international community to safeguard the right of the Zomi indigenous people of Myanmar, who have long been suffering religious persecution, economic exploitation, and political exclusion. For and on behalf of Zomi indigenous people, Executive Committee, World Zomi Congress, Zogam. Thank you very much.
Stop! Stop!